design and screen. The Nokia 2 looks like a phone that's far more expensive than it should be. Especially in the copper color, which mirrors that of the high-end Nokia 8, it instantly feels nicer in the hand. Sadly, only the rim is metal in color. The black version looks more muted too, and the plastic back doesn't feel as expensive. It also sucks up any oil or fingerprints, so can look messy easily. You can remove the back cover to access the SIM port and microSD slot, but the battery isn't removable. However, it's a well-made phone, solid in the hand and bringing the 5-inch screen to the fore nicely. There's no fingerprint scanner, as you can imagine for the price, but it's also got the buttons in the right place for locking and unlocking easily. The headphone jack is present and correct, and it's still using microSD, rather than USB-C at the bottom for connections. Again, just what you'd expect at this price point. We were actually impressed with the HD screen, which is pretty low-res by today's smartphone standards. While it's nowhere near as powerful as other phones, it's clear and bright enough to not irritate, and you don't feel like it's that low-res in the hand. Predictably, a movie experience isn't as strong, but for a quick YouTube session it's just fine.